Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to another OUYA video. Today, why don't we look at this guy here, Magnetic by Nature. Again, one of the bigger launches that OUYA has been pushing. I believe the game was, let me check here on my watch. I believe it was $10 for the full game. So, Of course, I can't find it out on my phone, but anyways, there is no playable demo. You have to buy it, so I thought I'd show you guys what the game's like before to see if you guys like it or not. But again, it's one of these platformers with a twist. Again, where there's one element that helps you. Anyways, I'll let the game speak, I guess. No need to talk over the cinematics. Hey, there we are. Ooh. Aww, monkey no there? Hello? Pretty flower. Give flower to monkey. Almost, doctor. Almost. Well, there's our mission. We must revive our friend. So yeah, it's a platformer where if you notice there's a magnetic orb. Enter my name, sure. Where you actually use repulsive and attractive forces to get through levels. I'll show you what, of course the game will show you. Yay! So no one's picked that name yet, so that's good. Good stuff. Yeah, back here in Arizona, enjoying the lovely monsoon. Also enjoying some club soda and Fireball. Or cream, excuse me, cream soda. Oh, yep. A bit warm, but that's because when I record, I have to shut off all the fans and stuff, so. Magnetic by Nature. Okay, so the left analog. Beats levels, save your friend. Excuse me. When a friend awakens, new levels are unlocked. Find the next deactive robot to access them. Okay, so there's the simple controls. Run, attract, repel, and jump. Y to open. I see. So each robot, again, it's kind of each robot is its own set of worlds. So once we activate one robot, it should give access to another. 25 to recharge your friend. Okay. Does that count as one? Alright, so that one is again the simple, just learning to jump. Turtle monkey. Blue, excuse me. Yeah, so again, I'm probably just gonna play very little because this you can R2 to repel. So there you go. There's the main mechanic. So right here, boom. So you can use that to push, and again, like I said, there will be an attractive side too, where you can use that to swing around stuff. I've seen it; it's really cool. So let's see what's beyond the sea. R2 or L2 to attract. So yeah, here. There we go. So there you go. There's the basic elements, and much like all platformers these days, off of those simple mechanics, a whole world of challenges arise from it. It's amazing how just some simple stuff becomes so challenging in the future. Each level hides a magnetic ring. What do they unlock? Oops. And there's the first death. There's the second one. Alright, jump first. Oh no. Hold on a second. Jump, push. Jump, push. I'm getting this all wrong somehow. Oh well. Would help if I pushed the right buttons. I see, so I can control them a little bit on this. So I'm actually using the control. Oh, I moved them too much. So I can actually control them a little bit on the. There we go, finally. So yeah, you do have some control when they're on the attractive side anyways. Cool. So yeah, again, it's very smooth, I should say. So I haven't been talking much. Yeah, it is very smooth and fluent. Try tapping instead of holding the triggers while swinging. Oh. Hold on. So it said try tapping. Try tapping instead of holding. So tap, tap, tap. There we go. Trying to teach you that if you tap, it does might do a bit more range on there. Nice. Again, thoroughly enjoying this so far. That's why I'm not talking too much, because I'm bad in quarters. Okay, hold on. A track. Let me bring you over here. There we go. Tap, 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 tap. There we go. Now again, a lot of this is going to be a bit simplistic, given that it's the first, you know, what, 10 levels? They're always just trying to teach you the very basics, and some of the puzzling you will be seeing. So if I do this, then repulse. Oops, okay. Oops, I was trying to... Ah, you bastard. I was trying to... Oh, I didn't need to really. I could just do that there. Anyways. Okay. There we go. And repulse. Ah, dang it. Okay. There we go. See how smooth that can get once you actually learn how to do that? Excuse me for a second. Had a slight itch in my ear. Had to take care of that. Don't know why I told you that, but anywho. Ah, so close. Alright, I'll just start completing the levels rather than getting perfection, just because at some point it does get a bit tedious watching me try to do something over and over again when I'm just trying to basically show you guys. There we go. The basic repulse. Now a track. Come on, follow me. There we go. Made it. Yeah, so how many levels have I done? 14. No, that's my rank. I progressed 36 so far. So yeah, I'll continue playing this. Again, it's one of these very. Oh, I see. So that's a switch. By the way, where's the power up? Oh well. Sorry, I lost my train of thought, didn't I? What I'm saying is, I'll go ahead and end the video here, I guess. Again, the game is $10, which I think might be off-putting some people, but it is fun, well flushed out, and actually very entertaining. So, can I exit? Or did that exit the whole game? That exited the whole game. Sorry, I hit A to exit out. But anyways, yeah. So, there's a quick look. Again, there's no playable demo. But this is definitely something you can see a lot of, even during their E3 coverage. OUYA was playing this live, and again, it's one of these platformers with one element, and that one element introduces a wide variety of puzzles that you have to solve. Excuse me, that whiskey is coming back to haunt me for some reason. Either that or the milkshake I had. Oh well, anyways, so I'm rambling. But yeah, so there's a quick look at the game. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time.